Well, if in terms of the space planning in the Hollin Hills house, they're open plans. The spaces flow one into the other. The kitchen to a hallway, to the dining room, to the living room, to the bedroom areas, all with outdoors. In our house, the only rooms with doors are the bathrooms, the closets, and the bedrooms. All the other spaces flow one into the other. And that is, I think, a characteristic. It makes the houses feel more spacious, that they're not divided up into little boxes like most houses are. The earliest Hollin Hills houses had flat roofs, and they used trusses to support those roofs. That gave him an incredible flexibility in the floor plan on the interior, because the interior partitions did not have to take the weight of the roof. The weight of the roof came down on the exterior walls. So even today, you can move around partitions in some of the older Hollin Hills houses without worry, because they're not load-bearing. In the later ones, he built a cathedral ceiling into those, and put posts in to support the gable ridge. And so other than those posts, you can move the partitions around quite freely in those houses. And so there was flexibility in this design, but that open plan, that ability to look through multiple rooms and then out a huge window into the outdoors, you can look 60 or 70 feet uninterrupted through some of these houses. And that's a rather extraordinary feature that allows these modest houses, they weren't huge houses, to appear larger than they really are. You get a sense of expansiveness that you don't find in traditional houses.